Hey guys, how you doing today? So I'm coming to you from the back of my deck here at the house. I wanted to do a quick update on my ginger here. As you can see, it's not in my garden anymore, it's in pots. It didn't fare so well in the garden. I did some researching a few weeks ago, and there's some things you need to do to make it grow better. And one thing is it likes to be really moist ground, and that's one thing I didn't have this summer, as it was a super dry summer and I didn't get time to water half my stuff, as you know from previous videos. So having in the pots here on my back deck, they were able to get enough water to start growing better. And the second thing is for ginger, is apparently they like really warm weather, like 30 degrees plus. So I didn't have them covered at all. So I should probably have a little greenhouse tarped over them, or a row cover, just to increase the heat there and the humidity, just to get them growing really well. So these guys were actually sprouted from the tray I had, and I'll show that to you quickly right now. All summer long, so I pulled these two guys off about halfway through, and they seem to be doing way better than anything else that I got. These guys I transplanted from the garden a few weeks ago, probably 2 weeks ago. Yes, blooper reel. Okay, I cleaned it up. What a mess. Butterfingers today apparently. Okay, so here's the ginger from the garden I transplanted 2 weeks ago. This guy's got a little shoot coming up here as well, and this one, so this means he's growing out. These are the two guys that I brought from the garden the other day. I just kept them in the water for the past 3 days just because I haven't had time to transplant them, but they're looking kind of sad. So once I get them in some soil and under some heat, they'll be better. But as you can tell, they've hardly grown at all, right? Super small. So I'm going to transplant them into the pot here right now, and then we'll get them growing nicely again. So I've got my soil already here. I'm just going to toss it in the pot here. I'm just using Pro Mix and a little bit of Step Out soil. And I'm going to make sure I've got it watered really well so that they grow, and I'll get it underneath the greenhouse as well, or my little hoop house. So the other thing that I found out is that they like potassium. So I don't have any potassium organic fertilizer right now. So I'm going to look into finding some of that to help get these guys growing nicely. But right now I'm just going to take the one here, just plant him in about a half an inch down, 2 inches down. Take the other one here, I'm going to put him in. And I'm going to water them really well in a minute here, get them watered in, and I'll put them underneath my greenhouse, so I'll show you that in a second here. So here's the water here, we're going to just fill it up nicely, get it nice and moist here. And just a side note, today is October 1st, and it's super humid out today. It's like, I think 25 degrees with a humidity of 30, and on an extreme, Calgary right now has got like 2 feet of snow. What a crazy difference. So I'll get this stuff loaded into the hoop house here and show you that. Okay, so here's my hoop house here. So I'm just going to get the ginger underneath here. Get them nice and warm. And I'll be making sure that I get them watered every few days, and then once the weather drops, I'll be taking them inside underneath the grow lights to see how they do there. So there we go, guys. So there's some tips I've learned over the summer about growing ginger. So I hope you found that helpful. If you guys have tried it this summer, let me know how it's worked out for you guys and how your ginger has come along. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and share my videos around. Happy gardening. See you out there.